Welcome to Coral Pink Sand Dunes. Never been here before. Looks pretty neat. We're just here in the parking lot. It looks like they got a little footpath. And then you come up to an observation deck. And that allows you to check out the whole thing. Let's go check it out. So we are going to go check out the dunes. We're going to fly the drone. We're going to give you guys a good view of what to look for when you guys are out here. Give you some perspective from the air. It's not that windy. I think we'll be fine. All right, we're headed up the path. Gonna head over to this deck. So there's gonna be a lot of wind noise here. It's just part of being out here with the dunes, but it's pretty neat. We're gonna give you guys as many shots as we can of just dune and help you guys enjoy it from wherever you're watching it. Maybe you're at the office, maybe you're on break at work, but no matter what, you guys will get to see it and enjoy it. Close to the tallest dune out here is right there. I think we're gonna hike up to it. Check it out. Tracks. What do you think of the tracks? Oh, no.
She has no weight. Oh, she did awesome.
You can do it.
You got it, girl.
Good job.
Woo! Was it fun? Was that your first time doing that? Because you look like a pro.
What did you think?
You ate awesome. Like, let me breathe.
Hang on. We are at the top. just be aware when you're on your way back, when you come off of that observation deck and you go down that hill, when you come back, that innocent little hill turns into this huge mountain. The sand sucks on the way back, so just be prepared. Have a lot of water with you. It's not even hot today and it's pretty brutal out here, so if you come out here and it's above 75, make sure you bring in a lot of water, lots of water, and take your time. Don't overdo your limits. Well, there you have it, man. Yeah, the drone, man, it did great out there, but it definitely struggled. It wasn't too hard for it, but there were times where even in sport mode it didn't want to do more than 20 miles an hour. So, but props to DJI, man. What a product. That thing does everything and handles the wind like a champ. I mean, it's really windy out here, over 40-mile-an-hour wind out there on the dune, and it was just fine. So just got to watch your abilities, you know, climbing and all that. But I don't know, what'd you guys think of Pink Coral Sand Dune? I thought it was pretty awesome. Post up in the comment section below.